Alright, what's up everybody? I'm back from a shower I just took. It's well, it's really early in the morning. It's like 9 or 10. So, yeah. JK, it's like 10 in the night. And this is the night, it's called, that, I uploaded that car crash simulator. It's 10 already. 10 in the night. See? So, this is my second time playing this, so let's play. You can become a real Pokemon trainer, but the world has no Pokemon. Dude, how are you a Pokemon trainer if you can't train? Ah, that's stupid. Stupid advertisements. Sorry guys. No, I don't understand. You have a lifetime supply of free meals, but you get to eat them in front of... I eat it in front of... That's pretty hard. I can't decide. Because that's a little mean, but I'm always hungry, so... Sorry, but I will press the button. I'm always hungry. Sorry. Sorry. You will never be... But you must eat enough calories for 10. I want to do the... No, I want to do the calorie... No, the calories one. I agree. Oh no. No, you stupid. Fine. All racist. But you will only survive on... Would only die. Oh. Yeah. I would melt everything, but I would only melt Jello. Yes. No, I don't want your stupid things. Fine. Just leave me alone. Come, God, with all... You can only appear in front of people. Yeah, I guess. I'd like it. All of your friends and family will... But you would die. Yeah, I guess. I'm gonna comment. Yes. Okay. It's like... Oh my... No. Fine. Stupid things. I have to do but the fastest. The scary face comes. Scary face. Internet. Scary face. I will not. Get to be family. I'll go with it. You gain the ability to turn an object to an. You have to press the button. Seek. Oh, I have to press it. Your hair wouldn't. You would have no nails. Dang it! No, I can't pick my nose. I won't be able to pick my nose. Yeah, because I won't be able to pick my nose. I can see the future, but only. I will not. So, I guess I'll stop my video here, guys. Alright, love you guys. See you guys later. Alright. Bye-bye.